How to delete multiple TikTok videos at once. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Activity Center. Scroll down and go to Manage Post Visibility. Here select all your posts and then tap on Next at the bottom. Now select Only You. Then tap on Update. Your post visibility has now been updated to Only You. Now go back to the Settings and Privacy page. Here scroll down and go to Report a Problem. Scroll down and tap on Submit a Report. You can now mention your issue in the description box over here. For example, ask for help on how to delete multiple TikTok videos. After that, tap on Submit below. Following these steps, you can delete multiple TikTok videos at once.